Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
63-degree air temperature. Beautiful, beautiful starry night out there. Becky in Mayaka reports in, says it's a gorgeous sky with a big bright full moon. Well, almost full moon. Full moon actually occurs tomorrow. It'll be a blue moon, by the way, the second blue moon of the month. And it is quite beautiful indeed. 62-degree dew point. The dew point on the rise, meaning humidity is increasing across the region. The amount of available moisture in the air is also increasing. So we're going to start talking about the chance of some showers. As we add moisture to the air becomes a little bit more unstable, tends to want to rise a little easier. And of course, that's how you get rainfall. You get warm, moist air at the surface to rise, cool, and condense, and then drop out its raindrops. And that's going to happen from time to time as we head through the weekend. 65 degrees, Mayaka Parish at 66, Bradenton 66, Hills Lakewood Ranch. Sarasota comes in at 63, 67 in Venice, 66 in Inglewood, 69 Longboat Key. As we head into the 9 o'clock hour, we'll see our temperature rise to about 68, 76 degrees by lunchtime. I still think we'll be dry by lunchtime. In fact, my confidence in a 20% rain chance at 3 p.m. is even then pretty low. We'll go with about 81 for a daytime high, but we will see building clouds throughout the afternoon, and then late, and I mean probably after sunset, is our best chance of seeing showers today, I think, at about 20%, but the confidence much higher in that 20% value at 7 p.m. than it would be at 3 p.m. I don't think we'll see a lot of rainfall around with this one. I think some people will see a drop or two or a passing shower. Not everybody will. In fact, most people won't. But there will be some showers around. Now, it's pretty heavy in Tallahassee right now, and you might look at that and go, oh, there's no way we won't get rainfall out of this. But the problem is, and I say problem because we could use a little bit of rainfall. Hate to see it over holiday weekend, but nevertheless, as the showers sink south, the energy from this storm system is going to be lifting off to the north and to the east. Again, how do you make it rain? You take warm, moist air, you cause it to rise, cool, and condense. A strong frontal boundary has a lot of energy to create that lift in the atmosphere. A weak frontal boundary, not so much. And as that front gets closer to us, it becomes weaker and weaker. So our chances of rainfall much less than they have in Tallahassee. Already on radar, and we're not seeing much in the way of any kind of rainfall, nor will we, I think, through the morning hours. Temperatures across the nation pretty cool to the north of this frontal boundary. 37 degrees in Detroit, 33 in Chicago, 34 in Cleveland. You jump the front, you're into the 60s. 60 degrees in Atlanta, well, 59 at this hour, and 62 degrees in New Orleans, 63 here in Sarasota. The thing is, as the front sinks south, the cool air really doesn't drop all that far south because this frontal boundary is basically going to fall apart. So we get this line of showers. It sinks southward. The frontal boundary itself kind of breaks apart, falls apart, and eventually just washes away as we head into Monday and some drier air filters in. The rain chances go away for next work week. So as we head into the afternoon, we'll watch our mostly sunny skies start to build clouds. We'll watch for the humidity to increase, and I think you'll notice that as the winds shift to the southwest. And then you'll notice a few late day showers popping up on radar tonight. Those showers, as I mentioned, are not going to be heavy. They're not going to be severe, and they'll be few and far between. Now, this is an interesting graphic I use from time to time. It shows the amount of moisture that's available in the atmosphere to produce rainfall. Redder is wetter on this model, and watch as we head into the weekend how we're sort of on the cusp between dry and moist. That's because the front basically stalls out, so there'll be a little more moisture available to produce rain showers, but it's not going to be all that significant. So we'll look for about a 20% chance that carries us through today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Southwest wind turns to the northwest tonight as that front approaches and becomes at about 15 knots. Forecast looks like this. Today, 81, Passover, by the way, 7:47 sunset tonight. 20% chance of showers during the evening hours. That lingers through Saturday morning. Then I think we get a little bit of a break during Saturday afternoon. Sunday, Easter Sunday, during the maximum time of heating in the afternoon, because of the moisture still lingering in the air, we might get an isolated shower. Moisture goes away and the front washes out, and next work week looks dry.